The Mood Matter Experience.
How do you want to feel today?
Every stylist in this room asks their client the same question. What are we doing today? Color? Cut? Blowout? What if the very first question wasn't about hair at all? What if it was, how do you want to feel today?
You already carry great product, but most of it looks the same to your client. Smells like every other salon she's ever sat in. There's nothing that makes her stop, close her eyes, and say, wait, what is that? That moment is what turns a one-time client into a client who tells everyone she knows. Right now, you don't have it.
That's Mood Matter. 4 hair and body mood mists, made in Italy by an actual fragrance house, not a hair care company that added scent as an afterthought, built on real mood and scent research.
And here's what nobody else in this market can say. This line just landed in the US. It is not on Amazon, it is not on a website, it is not sitting on a shelf at any national chain. The only place it exists in our market is the Salon Center, and the only way your client ever gets it is through you.
Feel Good opens with salted caramel, settles into vanilla, and orchid is in there specifically so it never turns candy sweet. Warm, nostalgic, comfort in a bottle.
Feel Confident opens bright and citrus, chocolate, and warm amber underneath. It's unisex, bolder, more energy in the room the second it hits the air.
Feel Magnetic is bergamot up top, dewy rose, and sheer musk underneath. This is not your grandmother's rose. It's creamy, modern, skin-like.
Feel Empowered is guava and lychee up front, vanilla pods underneath. Juicy, bright, and built around guava, one of the most proven notes in fine fragrance today.
4 moods, 4 scents. One simple question that turns your service into an experience.
Picture it. Your client sits down for color. You mist Feel Good across her cape, warm vanilla wrapping around her like a cashmere blanket. Next chair over, someone's got a big presentation after her blowout, so you reach for Feel Confident, and she sits up a little straighter. That's not a product, that's a moment, and she's going to remember exactly who gave it to her.
You'd agree, your best clients aren't just buying a service, they're buying how they feel walking out of your chair, right? And you'd agree the salons that win long-term are the ones offering something nobody else in town has. So if I told you that you could add that to every single appointment starting this week with 0 extra time and 0 extra skill, you'd want to see it, wouldn't you?
I know what some of you are already thinking. Fragrance-sensitive clients. This isn't perfume. It sits at the lightest tier of the fragrance world, a fine mist, not too heavy sprays to the wrist. Stylists using it are seeing far less reaction than they expect because it's built to be worn, not just smelled.
Bring in the full 4 scents in display, not one bottle, and let your clients choose their mood the way they choose their color.
Retail at $24 a bottle, this sells itself off the shelf. Bring the whole line in this month and save 25% while you do it.
Remember, this is brand new to the US, salon and stylist exclusive, available in our market only through the Salon Center. One call, one decision, and your service becomes something nobody else in this market is offering.
Call or text me, Rich Rose, 904-710-1988. Let's get Mood Matter behind your chair.